Well, one of the problems we have in Oregon is that we're so wet, so we get so much moisture and water. Well, our roof was in pretty bad shape. I mean, it had been on for 15 years. It was supposed to be a 40-year roof, and the shingles were curling. We had moss and bird crap on the roof, and just an ugly eyesore. And we found Interlock roofing on the internet when I was doing research on roofs for our house. And I corresponded, sent in the contact information on several roofing companies that do metal roofs. Interlock was the only one to respond to me. And one of the concerns we had about some of the metal roofs we've seen in Oregon is that they get discolored over time. But we were able to see some Interlock roofs that have been on houses for 20 or plus years, no discoloration. That coating on the Interlock roofing, nothing sticks to it, and the roof stays real clean like it was just put on yesterday. So we were really happy with that, and pretty much sold us on the Interlock roof. We're just completely delighted with the contractors who came out and did our project. Man, they worked 10, 12-hour days consistently until the roof was done. I thought this project would be 2 or 3 weeks, and they got it done in a little over a week, cleaned up after themselves. They were polite, they were nice, easy to get along with. I watched the guys pretty carefully when they put it together to see how it was done, and I was impressed with the installation of the metal trim pieces and the valleys and the way the roof is laid together. We really have a lifetime roof, and that's pretty impressive. You know, I think a lot of people are worried about metal roofs because they think they're going to be noisy. I was kind of disappointed because when it rains here, we don't hear anything. You know, this time of year in our attic space last year, or before the roof was on, you couldn't stand to be in there. It was so hot. And now, yeah, it's warmer than the rest of the house, but not anything like it was. So that leads me to believe that we've gotten a pretty good benefit. It looks good all the time. We occasionally get snow here in Oregon. There's nothing that sticks to this roof, including the snow. It's off. Driving down my driveway, I thought, damn, that's beautiful. and not only that, everyone who drives in my driveway goes, wow, that's gorgeous. And that's been pretty much the response of everybody who's seen it. I mean, we have a nice home, but you know, the roof on it really makes it pop. It gives it a lot of street curb appeal. You know, it makes you feel a lot better about the decision you make when everybody loves it. Well, I think the only thing I would change is I would do it sooner than I did. Don't be one of those people who shops price and misses value.